If you have a concrete slab like a driveway, or garage floor, or even a section of sidewalk, chances are, it will eventually sink and crack. But you might not have to replace it. Let's take a look at Michigan concrete leveling by total leveling. Many Michigan homeowners find themselves with a sinking garage floor or driveway at some point or another. Let's take a look at this customer's property. Their first problem is the end of the driveway. It has settled down, resulting in it being pitched toward the house. And what's happening is water is pooling there whenever it rains, which in the wintertime can cause issues with ice. The second problem is the piece of concrete going into his garage has settled down about an inch. Then the third issue is inside the garage, it's cracked completely in half and settled down about an inch. The process and methods total leveling will utilizes to correct today's problems. So, the process that we're going to use is a polyurethane foam that we inject underneath the concrete, and that expands, and it actually raises the concrete up from underneath. It's not a long process at all. Generally, we use a two-man crew. One guy runs the gun, the other guy drills holes, puts the ports in and cleans up behind the first guy. Why choose poly over the outdated mudjacking method? So mudjacking is actually a real similar process to polyurethane foam concrete lifting. Biggest difference with it is, we're using an actual polyurethane foam, as opposed to injecting more concrete underneath your existing concrete. They come in, they drill holes about this big. Holes we drill are about the size of a penny. It actually weighs a lot less than mudjacking, that weighs about 100 pounds per cubic foot. Whereas polyurethane weighs only 4 pounds per cubic foot. So, it doesn't tend to settle back down because we're not injecting more weight. Important things to remember. Total leveling keeps you from having to replace concrete. When you go to replace it, you get brand new concrete and put it up against the old stuff. It doesn't match. So this allows us to reuse the concrete that's already there. Schedule a free, no obligation quote today. Visit our website at concreteliftingmi.com.